We bring the eggs in and then we sort mediums and larges. We have a little scale and we use like a little sock to wash any like little speck of dust or dirt or anything on the egg. And then we have cartons on our left and our right, and mediums go on the left. Anything over 195 is a large, and anything under 195 is a medium. And then we have a basket in the middle that we put any dirties in. And then the eggs get stamped 8 weeks out and put in a box. So I'm just cleaning off any little piece of dirt or dust or anything. Just make sure the egg's completely clean, like something like that. And then I can kind of see by the egg what size they are, but sometimes when they're right on the edge I have to weigh them. And then any egg that takes like, I don't know, over 3 seconds to wash by hand, I just put it in this basket right here and then we'll run it through the machine. Something like that, something that's really dirty like that. It just takes too much time to get off with the sock, so we just run it through the egg washer. So then after all the eggs are boxed, we put an expiration date on them and then they go straight into the boxes and into the walk-in fridge. Perfect. Empty box. Alright, so any eggs that take longer than 3 to 5 seconds to wash by hand, we just run them through the egg washer. So we spray them off really quick, get everything loosened up. One by one they get put up here on the conveyor and they run through, and then there's a little fan that dries them off. And then we pretty much do the same process as when we were washing the eggs by hand. We have a scale and a sock, and we sort eggs medium and larges. That might be on any of the eggs, so I can just pull those off right away. But yeah, so that's what that is. To see if there's anything weird in the egg or any cracks.